In the third week of January, order or ruling, what we call, has been passed by the High Court at Bombay, in which they have said that unless a child is disrobed means unless you open the child's clothing, it cannot be considered sexual assault. Now, sexual assault is section 7 of the POCSO Act. POCSO means Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. And this does not apply only to girl children, but it also applies to boy children. Now, when he says disrobe, when the judge says disrobe, I think it is bad precedent in law. Because the Act clearly states, and I have produced the extract for you, sexual assault and punishment thereof. Whoever with sexual intent touches of such person or any other person or does any other act with a sexual intent which involves physical contact without penetration is said to commit sexual assault. Now, I think the judge has erred somewhere, and this is going to create a bad precedent, because the protection that is deemed to be given to a child, boy child or girl child, will be affected, and in which case the POCSO Act becomes redundant, gives no protection. Now look at section 7 of the POCSO Act. I've also written it there that physical touching is bad, though we are not saying that a child the clothes should be on or off. That is the spirit of the law. It is understood that whether the clothes are on or off, you can't touch certain parts of the body of any child. And that has to be respected and mandated. And we must also remember that the POCSO Act clearly means about physical touching, although there is no definition of physical touching or whether it is skin to skin. The High Court has interpreted its touching through clothes. It is clearly from the objective of the Act that groping would be included in section 7. The intention of the Act is clear from its objective of protecting best interest of the child. And the best interest of the child should not be considered as clothes on or off. Now, I think that this is a mistake, and I think I am going to write a letter to the Supreme Court, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, to the Prime Minister of India, and to all those who say Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. And in this we include our betas also. In this Act, POCSO Act, we have included our betas also. Now the girl child can get relief from certain provisions of the IPC. She can get, but what about the boy child? There's no provision for him anywhere. So therefore I am going to write a letter to clear my point that this is a wrong precedent of the High Court movement. And it will set a bad example.